We're here for EA Madden 20 and the brand new Superstar KO mode. I don't want to be too loud because we're in a public place. We are back in Chicago. It's been 1 month since we were at Lollapalooza. Did we upload a vlog at Lollapalooza?
Yep.
Yeah, we did. Not only are we going to this Madden NFL kickoff event, but we're also going to the Packers-Bears game, 100th year anniversary of the NFL, and we got tickets. You didn't tell me it was this nice out. We should have started the vlog outside. Look at it. Look at it. Sun's out. It's a beautiful day. We should have started it here. YouTube, how the fuck you doing? Hey guys, Nadeshot. Today we're here for EA Madden sponsored video, Superstar KO. We're in Chicago. It's crazy. Wow, Liquid IV. That's how we should have started it, Mark. Look at the squad that we got here today. We got Years of War, we got Fortnite, we got...
Oh, Nadeshot?
Hi!
Oh, dude!
It's good to see you.
I haven't seen you in so long.
I didn't know you were sitting there.
Gosh, I had no idea.
Dude, I've known Brennan for a long ass time, and as he gets older, his hair just gets better. Symphony's here, obviously, like I said.
What's
Symphony,
up? What's
say
up,
something for
boys?
the vlog. I need some clickbait. I don't know how to vlog.
From 1 to 2 p.m. Basically, you guys' practice sesh versus the public there. It's Twitch Prime members. Just like sit down and play with those guys, and they're gonna qualify to make one of the teams for the entire day. Team Yachty, we've got Yachty here, and you're gonna be paired up with Yachty. Great. And then we've got Juice World here with Gold World.
Thanks, bro. See that? All I had to do was smile. It's easy. Crazy. I'm out here working so hard, bro. I'm sweating. All right, listen, guys. Now, Symphony might be way better at me than shooters on PC, but today we are playing Madden, and I have a controller in my hand. I would say right now I do have the advantage, but
I agree.
You never know.
Here.
Oh, damn. Okay.
You guys are on the cusp.
First game versus Symphony. My first time playing.
I got a couple warm-up rounds earlier. I'm chilling.
Just wait and see.
Anything you want on this dish.
No.
Why you even talking about your wrist? I am not the one I think you miss. What I need gold for. I've been taking shots and beating trouble for them dogs. I've been in the kitchen with this.
First game, took the W. I told him we're not playing Fortnite anymore. I saw him trying to build midfield. You gonna believe it?
So I'll be helping to traffic these guys.
Great.
They're trying to score a touchdown as fast as possible to
Yeah,
qualify.
absolutely.
Have fun throwing the ball.
Wait, I'm the one throwing it?
Yeah.
You guys are trying to qualify, right? Yeah. You guys play a lot of Madden? All right. Yo, this guy can't pass. Symphony on the other team is terrible. No! Bro, what? Get him. How does he fumble? I'm so sorry. Are we out? A fumble? That ain't right. Blitz heavy defense. Engage 8 every play. Sorry, boys. We tried our best, man.
Oh, we tried, dude.
Good game, brother.
We tried.
None of these kids are qualifying because they're playing with me. None of them. Bro, I'm choking on main stage again. Nailed it.
What's up, fellas? Stuart, we'll be producing the show today. Appreciate y'all being here.
Not anything, man. Out here, bro. I was stoked.
Yeah, dog, I'm out here.
Bro,
I can give him a rundown by himself if I need to.
Yeah, dog.
We might have to.
That's fine.
Man.
Yachty, you're gonna be with Nadeshot over here.
What's up, bro? See you, man. Not fair.
And Juice, you're with Gold Glove.
1, 2, 3.
You guys want to go? You 3, I'll get out. You guys snap it up real quick. You saw me smiling. Just having a great time.
Hey, I need a shot with you real quick.
I
I gotta tell the world I carry you real
Well,
quick.
come on now. 1, 2, 3. We're going to the stage. I'm winning this damn thing. It's happening. You see it? We're going. All right, so here's the deal. We're about to start this tournament up. I'm blitzing every down, and I'm airing it out down the field every down. I'm telling you, I'm coming out with a W. About to play a Gold Glove real quick on stage.
I'm about to change the
About to be some
quarterback.
slight work. Make it quick and easy. Put him down. No pain.
We'll see.
It's always so much better when you talk shit and win, because then I can look back at you and he felt it coming the entire time.
I think your mic's on.
Oh. Hello?
Team Lil Yachty, they are ready to go. And of course, you know about Lil Yachty. Nadeshot with them, part of 100 Thieves. Marco, that is the prime member. So there is Team Yachty. up. Right up the seam. Julio.
No.
50, 10, 5, touchdown, Lil Yachty. One pass option. And instead they throw a pick. Nadeshot, we got to lock up here, man. It's the red zone.
Oh, nice block.
Somebody make a tackle.
That's tough.
That was gold glove to the next level. And they get the 2-point conversion.
One hand interception, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. It's bad
You haven't
pass.
played a lot of Madden if you complain about a one-hand
You guys
interception.
put the blame on me. Bad decision.
Hey, you're the
making.
quarterback, man. You got to take the blame.
Yeah, that's how it goes. I'm throwing interceptions out here. I'll tell you what, I wish I wasn't the quarterback because I know he's got to be pissed. I threw 2 interceptions. That went as poorly as it could have. That's why I retired.
Let's introduce Team Lil Yachty.
Give it up for Lil Yachty.
Grammy Award-winning nominee. Like Nadeshot's the quarterback right here. That's Nadeshot rolling out.
There you go.
And I don't know who got the call.
Someone should tackle him.
Come on, Spice. Come on.
Bye, Felicia. Touchdown.
Spice, let's go.
All right, you got to go for 2. There's no kicking.
Still
in
got to
this
get
mode.
2, so you can shut them out. Don't be looking at your
Bingo,
controller,
bingo,
man.
bang. Here's Cam Newton. Throw it to the outside. It's picked. It's the fastest game ever. Say goodbye to Spice Adams.
That's fair.
Bye, Spice.
Give it up for Spice, y'all.
Take a lap, man.
Okay, guys, so we just finished up on main stage. Played against Symphony over there.
Yeah, I kind of popped off. Like, I was kind of cracked.
I had Brian Urlacher sitting behind me commentating, asking me questions. He was trying to figure out why both teams had Cam Newton because he said we should have picked a good quarterback. And then after we had won, he's like, wait, it's over? And I said, yes, sir, that's how quick it goes. The Superstar KO mode is actually a lot of fun. Makes the Madden experience a little quicker if you don't have the most time. A lot of different options in the playbooks and the coaches that you pick. So I'm going to go pick up Madden 20 when I get back. And that's not because this video is sponsored. So I think we're going to head to the Bears game here in a couple hours. I love Juice WRLD. I want to chat with him a little bit because he actually grew up 20 minutes away from where I grew up, but I didn't really get to talk. It was so much fun. So big thank you to EA and the NFL for having me out. I had a blast. I'm ready to get some food in my stomach though, and then keep the day going. All right. Oh, hi, Mark. Hello. We are en route to Soldier Field. I'm double branded. I got 100 Thieves right here. I got 100 Thieves right here. I got 100 Thieves on my back. And then I got 100 Thieves tattoo. So it's a little excessive at this point. We're going to Bears Packers. We caught a ride, so I don't have to work out these glutes anymore. I've been walking up a lot of stairs lately, so I've been getting my legs real toned. Oh, we're going off-road. We're going off-road. Wait, this guy's got like a tiki version. Off-road. We made it. That's all I got. Cheers. I kind of want to see what happens if I throw it as hard as I can that way.
Please don't do that.
It's gonna hit us.
Oh, come on now.
I will finish. That was close.
Yeah.
Oh, it's in Newfoundland?
What?
Oh, because where it ends, huh? Cool. Thank you very much.
It's fine.
Hey, I feel like that was worth it.